friends, in this video we're going to see about the important formulas in integration. The first formula, usually we know that integral x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here we're going to use these formulas hereafter. That is, the first one, integral ax plus b whole power n into dx is equal to. You just consider this one as x. Already we derived that formula, but even though if it is integral ax plus b whole power n into dx means you just apply the formula for x power n, a simple formula of x power n. So you just consider x plus x power n. That is, x power n means what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So you can write ax plus b the whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. After that, you just consider ax plus b is equal to x, isn't it? So now you just differentiate one, given one. So ax plus b is equal to, we get only a. So that we can write it as 1 by a. In the differentiation, in the integration, we can write it as 1 by a. So 1 by a, ax plus b the whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And then second one, integral 1 by ax plus b into dx. So we know that integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x. Integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x. So here it is also, we can apply 1 by x dx is equal to log x. So you just consider ax plus b is equal to x. If it is 1 by x dx is equal to what? That is log x. So log of ax plus b. Again you have to differentiate this one, ax plus b. Ax plus b means we have only a. So that 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. And then third one, integral e power ax plus b into dx. So here you just consider e power x. E power x means what? The integration of e power x is again e power x. So that you can write e power ax plus b, and then you just differentiate a power x plus b, we get a. That is 1 by a into e power ax plus b. So these three formulas we are going to use for some examples, with some examples. The first problem, integrate integral 2 plus x the whole cube into dx. 2 plus x whole cube into dx. I'm going to apply the first one. What is the first one? Integral ax plus b whole power n into dx is equal to what? 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here a is equal to what? Ax. A is equal to 1. The coefficient of x is equal to 1. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. So you just apply the form in the resultant. That is equal to, instead of a we put 1, and then ax plus b means the given one. 2 plus x the whole power n plus 1. Here n is equal to what? N is equal to 3. So 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer. So here after simplification we get 2 plus x whole power 4 by 4 plus c. So this is the integration of 2 plus x whole power 3 into dx. And then second problem, integral 1 plus 3x whole power 1 by 2 into dx. Here you can apply the same formula, integral ax plus b whole power n into dx is equal to 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here what is a? What is a means, here the coefficient of x is a, isn't it? Coefficient of x is a, that is a is equal to 3. And then what is b here? B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. What is n here? N is equal to 1 by 2. N is equal to 1 by 2. I just apply in this formula. So instead of a, we can write 3. And then ax plus b means the given one. 1 plus 3x whole power n plus 1. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So that here 1 by 3, 1 plus 3x whole power, cross multiply this. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Here what is the reciprocal of this one? 2 by 3. So that will be 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x whole power 3 by 2 plus c, which is equal to 2 by 9 into 1 plus 3x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. And then third one. What is the third one? Here we can take integral 3 minus 2x whole power 7 by 2 into dx. This is of the form integral ax plus b whole power n into dx is equal to, what is the answer? 1 by ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here it's just to compare these two. What is a here? That is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2. And then what is b here? B is equal to constant. So b is equal to 3. What is n here? N is equal to 7 by 2. You just apply in this. You have 1 by a. A is equal to minus 2. And then ax plus b means the given one. 3 minus 2x whole power n plus 1. N plus 1 means 7 by 2 plus 1 by 7 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 2x whole power 7 by 2 plus 1, 9 by 2 by 9 by 2 plus c. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2, and then this one is 2 by 9 into 3 minus 2x whole power 9 by 2 plus c. So 2 will be cancelled. We will get minus 1 by 9, 3 minus 2x whole power 9 by 2 plus c. So this is integration of 3 minus 2x whole power 7 by 2 into dx. So these are the very simple. In case of direct integration means you can apply the formula xn plus xn plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. In case we have ax plus b format means it's just to use the formula 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. It's very simple. Here it's just to consider the given one with what we have within the bracket is x. It's just to apply for the formula for x here. So x means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and again differentiate the given one. So we'll get the constant, that is 1 by a, so that we can write 1 by a into something. So you just go through these formulas of problems.